In the last class, we were discussing about electromagnetic waves. So we classified electromagnetic waves. We studied the chart that tells us about the wavelengths and the frequencies. We got a relationship between speed, wavelength and frequency, and from that let us try to solve a problem. Question number 1, calculate nu bar. Nu bar means wave number. Okay, calculate wave number and nu, that is frequency. Calculate wave number and frequency for radiations having wavelength 5800 Armstrong. So 5800 Armstrong or radiation dia ase tar wave number aru frequency uliabo dise. So the wavelength is lambda is 5800 Armstrong. So 1 Armstrong equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 5800 Armstrong, that means 5800 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. The speed of radiation is c, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the relationship that we have between speed of radiation, wavelength and frequency is c equals to nu lambda, where nu is the frequency, and if we try to calculate it, nu equals to c by lambda, where what is c? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and what is lambda? 5800 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So nu equals to c by lambda, and when we calculate it, it comes out to be 5.17 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse or hertz. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the frequency from wavelength. Now if I try to calculate the wave number nu bar equals to 1 by lambda equals to 1 by 5800 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter inverse, and this comes out to be 1.72 into 10 to the power 6 meter inverse. So this is the wave number. So we successfully calculated the wavelength, and we calculated the frequency and wave number from the wavelength. So ami ki koisilu, so we told that electromagnetic radiations are waves. Electromagnetic radiation ko wave hoy boli koisilu. So we told that electromagnetic radiations are waves. Okay, they have an electric field component and a magnetic field component perpendicular to each other. So an electric field component and a magnetic field component that is perpendicular to each other. So we told that means electromagnetic radiations are waves. That means they show interference and diffraction. Okay, so electromagnetic radiations show interference and diffraction. Now also, okay, so in Planck's quantum theory, electromagnetic radiations are not said to have wave character. Wave character nai boli koi dise. Planck's quantum theory e koise je electromagnetic radiations are not waves. Waves nohoy tahate. Okay, so electromagnetic theory e ki koisile? Electromagnetic radiations are waves. Into Planck's quantum theory e koise je electromagnetic radiations are not waves. Electromagnetic radiations are not waves, but instead electromagnetic radiations consists of particles. Electromagnetic radiations or light. Okay. So electromagnetic radiations or light consists of particles. Okay, so electromagnetic radiations consists of particles. Now, so these particles are called photons. Okay, so electromagnetic radiations of particles ase boli koise. That means, you know, yesterday I told something called radiant energy yesterday I told something called radiant energy. So radiant energy, that means energy that is emitted as electromagnetic radiation. যিবোৰ energy electromagnetic radiation হিচাপে ওলাই আহে সেইবোৰক radiant energy বুলি কয় না. ওকে, সানৰ পৰা electromagnetic radiation ওলাই আহিছে like that. So radiant energy or electromagnetic radiation is wave, but Planck's quantum theory tells that radiant energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of particles. Okay, so radiant energy emitted or absorbed in the form of particles. Okay, so radiant energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of particles called photons. Okay, so called photons. So photons are particles, that is যিবোৰ particle light বনায় তাক কয় photon. Okay, that means this is a surface এনেকে light আহি আছে, that means particles আহি আছে এনেকে light photons. So this is a photon. Okay, so this is a photon. Light is composed of particles called photons. That means electromagnetic radiation consists of particles called photons, or it is also called photon, or it is also called quantum. Okay, so photon or quantum both are same, so that is why it is called Planck's quantum theory, which tells us that radiant energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of particles called photons. Photons and quantum both are same. Photon or quantum দুইটা একে হয়. That means electromagnetic radiation or radiant energy is composed of particles that are called photons or quantum. Okay, so this is the basis for Planck's quantum theory. Now so radiant energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of discrete particles of energy called photons or quantum. Okay, so energy of one photon or energy of one quantum, energy of one photon or energy of each quantum is directly proportional to the frequency. Okay, so energy for each photon is directly proportional to frequency. So photon or jitu energy hobo, that is directly proportional to frequency. So if I remove the proportionality symbol, I have to fix a constant here. So I put here h nu. So this h is called Planck's constant. So why Planck's constant? Because this is Planck's quantum theory, which was given by someone called Max Planck boli manu ejone disile. Okay, so energy of eta photon energy ki man hobo h nu. So where nu is the frequency of radiation, and E equals to nh nu equals to nh nu for n photons. So E equals to nh nu for n ta photon karone eta photon energy jodi h nu hoy tete hole n ta photon energy nh nu hobo. So where n equals to 0 1 2 dot 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 dot. So jodi n or value 0 হয় তেতিয়াহলে ফটোন নাই, ফটোন থাকিলে ফটোনৰ এনার্জি কবা থাকিব. ওকে, সো n equal to 1 হলে এটা ফটোনৰ এনার্জি, 2 হলে দুটা ফটোনৰ এনার্জি, বা দুটা কোয়ান্টামৰ এনার্জি. So such a relation is called E equals to nh nu, where E is a multiple of n. Okay, E is a whole number multiple of h nu. So E is a whole number multiple of h nu. So E h nu is a whole number multiple hai. So such a condition is called quantization of energy. Quantization of energy. Okay, so E is a whole number multiple of h nu. Such a condition is called quantization of energy. Jodi E জায়গাত বলে momentum থাকিলে দেন momentum p equals to mh, that means momentum is an integral multiple of h nu. Okay, just you know এনে ধৰি লৈছো তেতিয়া আমি কলো হেতেন quantization of momentum. Okay, so whole number multiple of h nu যদি হয় quantization of energy বা okay quantization of energy বুলি কও. Total energy emitted or absorbed in the form of radiation. So jodi energy eta body e jodi energy absorb kore, so this is a body, eto jodi energy absorb kore ba energy emit kore. Okay, so body eta energy absorb koribo pare na energy emit koribo pare, energy lobo pare na ba energy dibo pare. So jodi energy absorbed na ba energy emitted, jodi e energy to radiation hoy, so if this energy emitted or energy absorbed is radiation, that means energy absorbed or energy emitted, if this energy is electromagnetic radiation, then E equals to nh nu is the energy of n photons. N ta photon energy hobo E equals to nh nu. Okay, so E equals to nh nu is the energy of n photons. And if I have one photon, jodi moi eta photon ase, if I have one photon, the energy of one photon is E equals to n or jagat 1 ahi jabe, E equals to h nu. So this is the energy of one photon. So eta photon energy h nu. Jodi moi musot eta photon energy ase. Okay, so now if I want to calculate the energy of 1 mole of photons, so eta photon energy h nu, 1 mole of photons energy kiman hobe tihole eta photon energy into Avogadro's number. So energy of 1 mole of photons En equals to Avogadro's number into h nu. So eta photon energy jodi h nu hoy tihole Avogadro's number ta photon energy kiman hobo, En equals to Na into h nu. So where h is the Planck's constant that I already told you, which is the value of 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So this is the value of the Planck's constant, and this is the energy of 1 mole of photons, which is called 1 Einstein. So En equals to Na into h nu, this is called 1 Einstein, and it is the energy of 1 mole of photon. So 1 mole photon energy ke ami 1 Einstein boli kau. So 1 Einstein means energy of 1 mole of photons. So in the second question, the question is calculate the frequency and energy of a photon of light having wavelength 6000 Armstrong. So light dia ase, light or wavelength to 6000 Armstrong, tar frequency to hudise or energy to hudise. So I have a light, okay, I have a light of wavelength 6000 Armstrong. So hekhini light or eta photon or energy kiman hobo, jodi wavelength to 6000 Armstrong hoy tete hole he light or photon etar energy kiman hobo. Okay, now so first for finding the frequency nu equal to c by lambda. So the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the wavelength is 6000 Armstrong or 6000 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, so meter cancel, and the value of frequency that is obtained is 5 into 10 to the power 14 per second or hertz. So 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So this is the energy of photon having wavelength 6000 Armstrong. This is the frequency of photon having wavelength 6000 Armstrong. Now, so what is the energy of a photon of frequency? This is the frequency. This is the frequency. Now, so energy is for one photon, so of a photon, so in the question it is given a photon, that means one photon. So for one photon energy is E equals to h nu. So where h is the Planck's constant, so h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second into nu. So nu is 5 into 10 to the power 14 per second. So here we have 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 h, and nu is 5 into 10 to the power 14 per second. So we multiply these two. So per second and second are gone, and when we multiply this and this, the answer we get is 3.125 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So this is the energy of the photon from the frequency. Okay, so energy is directly proportional to frequency. Frequency jimane beshi hobo, energy himane beshi hobo. We know that E equals to h nu. So energy of a photon is directly proportional to the frequency. So energy is directly proportional to frequency. That means, so E equals to h nu. H is a constant. That means E is directly proportional to nu. That means light or frequency jiman bahi jabo, energy himan bahi jabo. Okay, so light or frequency jiman bahi jabo, energy himane bahi jabo. Okay, now let us see the visible spectra: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Your frequency order to ki violet or frequency ataitke beshi, tar pisot indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So red or frequency to ataitke kom. Okay, so violet or frequency to beshi, red or frequency to kom. That means frequency beshi hole energy beshi hole. That means violet or energy to red or energy ke beshi. That means violet light will have more energy. Okay, so the best example that we see that in our day-to-day life is LPG gas. যেটো হাউসহোল্ড গ্যাস স্টোভ ইউজ কৰো আমি, যেটো ঘৰত ভাত বনাবলৈ গ্যাস ইউজ কৰা যায়, তাৰ যেটো ওকে তাৰ যেটো স্টোভ, যেটো সিলিন্ডাৰৰ লগত যেটো স্টোভ, তাৰ পৰা জুইটো ব্লু কালাৰ ওলাই, with blue color flame we get blue color flames. Okay, so why blue? Because blue has more frequency. Violet, indigo, blue, similar colors, they have more frequency. That is why they have more energy. Okay, so he karone LPG gasor jeto flame hoy to blue color hoy, joldi khana cook hobo. Jodi red color flame hoy te hole gom pam je ami tar energy to kom. Okay, gas he hobo somoyot flame or color to red hoy jay. That means gas he hoise yar energy komi goise. Okay, so that is the relationship between energy and frequency. In the next question, it is asked the energy of 1 mole of photons of frequency 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz is. So photons, 1 mole of photons diya ase, 1 mole of photons diya ase, frequency to 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, energy kiman. So frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So for one photon E equals to h nu. Eta photonor karone E equals to h nu. Tejole Avogadro's number of photons karone energy kiman. So 1 mole of photons mane Avogadro's number of photons. Avogadro's number of photons karone energy kiman. So h nu into Avogadro's number. Okay. So what is Avogadro's number? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Na, h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. And what is frequency nu? It is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Okay, so and h nu, when we multiply we get the answer in. So when we multiply Avogadro's number h and nu, we get the answer as 19951 joule. Okay, so this is the energy of 1 mole of photons of frequency 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz.